Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Candy Crush Saga. You click on settings. Here in this list we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Candy Crush Saga. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.